What other exploit have you?
Akiruguria giikaro kia mbere gia kuthurimo kwa barothi amure mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge ya ugitiri wa mibaka ugacerwo na maundu manja wa bururi Catherine Kiruba uria wamurito ta barothi wa bururi wa United Kingdom erite kamiti ino ati ona gutwika ndari aruta wira ukonainie na mabururi manja angibwe mweke kubuthira ugi wake uria ari naguo kwambatiria bururi mapu-ini ya thi.
If you are to be appointed as our High Commissioner, what action would you take to make sure that the UK reciprocates and this relationship becomes an equal relationship rather than a master and a subject relationship as it is at the moment?
I've been managing people, I've been managing organizations. One of the things Honorable Member had asked is what are my exploits other than academics, and I'm quite happy to invite you to speak to any of my referees. Any place that I have gone to, I have transformed.
General Muburo Kuera wa Biraro Jona Mwangi uria wamurito gutwika barothi wa bururi wa Iran erite kamiti ino ati thutha wa gutungata rubonge-ini rwa Biraro kwa ibinda ria miaka 42 wira ucio ni umubete umenyeru wa kubota gwetiria ibubakanio na makiria iria iracungiriria bara akiuga atumo bururi-ini wa Iran ni akabota kubuthira ugi ucio bururi-ini ucio uria uikaine na tharikira cia mabinda kwa mabinda.
As it is now, Iran is accused by Western countries of supporting the invasion of Ukraine by Russians. And, they're even accused of supplying drones and missiles. And now Kenya must come out clean, and now you're the representative of Kenya in that country, so that at least we cannot be caught up in the conflict. What are you going to do to avoid being caught up in that kind of conflict? I've said also that I have been a leader of defense teams that have been negotiating within a very, very complex environment. So one thing that I bring on board is that I'm a team player.
Ona gukiri uguo gutiagite aria matindikiriirio ruthingo-ini na ciuria ciegimaine na ungumania uria wari munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Githii Joash Mange na uria wamurito ta barothi wa bururi wa Uganda thutha wa ciuria cia ungumania kweyumiria eteteire akiuga ni areganite na thitango icio.
I do not think I need to defend myself because I've not been charged, I've not been accused of anything. What I heard the chairman read is that the Anti-Corruption Commission is investigating, and he also said that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions has denied prosecution.
Angiaria mekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ino ni uria wari mbunge wa Pokot ya Ithũĩro Lilian Tomitom uria wamurito ta barothi wa bururi wa Zambia na wakiri Caroline Kamende barothi wa kwamuro wa bururi wa Canada. Gatagati-ini ka marito 27 maria mendekithitio magutwika mabarothi thiini wa mabururi matiganite atano niyo mekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya ugitiri makirigiriro makoro metheretie na makiria kuma kuri komishoni ya kuburana na ungumania. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma cikaro-ini cia mbunge kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njetago Masi wa Dia wa Mũrĩithi.